what's up? So as you can see, I have my base done already. I'm going to attempt to do like a firework look. I don't know how to explain, but yeah. So like I'm gonna be using like a dark purple probably, or like a purple mixed with the black and pink, you know. But we'll just add a little bit of translucent powder so I could if there is how do you say, if the eyeshadow falls down, it'll be caught by this, so I could sweep it away. But yeah, maybe we'll go with the Alien palette, since you know it has Black Hole and Area 51, and could use a little bit of Tall Gray. Okay, so we're just gonna take a Morphe M441, and I'm sorry if you hear stuff in the background. My sister is watching Brennan Taylor. So yeah, I guess we'll start with the Black Hole and Tall Gray. Honestly, I'm not gonna use Area 51 because I don't know, that shadow, like whenever I try and use it, I have a problem with it. I mean, we can mix Coma and a little bit of root canal and extraction, and we're using the M433. So we're just gonna use a little bit of the glitter primer by NYX, and then we're gonna use Cavity. Hopefully it doesn't go everywhere. Give me a second. This girl out of my closet because I have her there. Yeah. So we're gonna take this one, what is this one? Diamond. We're also gonna take Jawbreaker and maybe Ice Tray. So I got You're Still on the Property, Diva, like I said, Jawbreaker, Ice Tray, Diamond, Jeffree Who, Karma. Hi, how are ya? Yup. We can use Cloud. Yeah, Drug Lord. We're also gonna be using that to lighten some of the. We're also gonna be using Drug Lord to lighten some of the other. I was gonna say eyeshadows, but they're lipsticks. But yeah, and make sure you have a wipey so you can be cleaning your brush, because it's gonna be a lot of colors that you're gonna be using. So yeah. we're gonna go with you're still on the property first, because I'm on the back of the hand. And I'm sorry if I'm not gonna be showing a lot, because low-key this is gonna be my first time, so like, oh shit. Okay, so guess you do a dot first, and where you're gonna do it, and then start doing like a, I don't know how to explain it, but like a fuzzball, like this, or like a star or whatever, I don't know. Do you have a boyfriend who isn't paying enough attention to you? Is he too busy playing 2K? I have the solution. Take a photo with my abs or naked body and send it to him. He'll be back in no time. So I bet a lot of you guys are wondering, Brennan, what the hell can you possibly do? I'm sorry. Well, basically, I'm gonna use my body for them to take a photo, send it to their boyfriend. Their boyfriend's like, yo, who's this guy? They're just like, oh, he's an avatar. That's what I do. If their boyfriend's a little jealous, get their boyfriends to run back to them, be by their side, help out their relationship. All in all, we're all here. So we're just gonna take a lighter color now, which is Jawbreaker. And if you want, you can like mix the colors a little bit. It's kind of working. So it sends, and now we just gotta wait for her to reply. But I think we should head over to the Rope because there's a premiere in about 2 days from now. I'm not allowed to say which premiere it is yet.
Of course, you just put like the dot there. And then just like a little bit of another color.
Cute. I know this is gonna be a long video. Going into Ice Tray now. Diamond. Yeah. going into Karma. I wish I had like a brighter pop of green, but I don't. Or do I? No, I don't. So I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and probably add liner and then the eyelashes. So yeah, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, bye. So here's the finished look. I think it came out cute. Oh shit, I didn't even dust off the powder. I'm just probably gonna touch up my highlighter, and I used the Jeffree Star and Eclipse. What dreams? Honestly, this came out like really cute. Like, I low-key wanted to put eyeliner, but then I was like, you know what? No. And I had put setting spray on earlier, so yeah, after I was done or whatever. But yeah. Y'all see my hand, like. But yeah, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good and safe 4th of July, because I'm gonna post this on the 4th of July, you know, fireworks, you know. But yeah, bye, see you guys in the next video. Love you. Y'all, these fireworks took me motherfucking forever. Look at my hand, like, but it's cute as fuck.